Hello there. Welcome to EXTRUDESIGN.com. In this video, we will talk about what is the difference between comparators and measuring instruments. Let's get started. Comparators are used to compare the workpiece dimensions with the working standards, whereas the measuring instruments are used to measure the actual dimension of the workpiece. For comparators, a proper magnification system is provided to achieve accuracy. No magnification system is needed for measuring instruments. Comparators are suitable for mass production, since the measurements can be done rapidly and accurately. But the measuring instruments are not suitable for the mass production, due to takes more time to take actual dimensions. Comparators will have minimal errors. On the other hand, with measuring instruments, the possibility of errors is more, comparative with the comparators. No need for skilled operator to get accurate measurements with the comparators. To use measuring instruments, there is a need for skilled operators to get accurate measurements. Comparators examples are mechanical comparators, electrical comparators, optical comparators, pneumatic comparators. Measuring instruments examples are vernier calipers, vernier depth gauges, micrometer screw gauge. These are the major differences between the comparators and measuring instruments. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Please subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get notified.